Today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your Instagram password. It's actually quite a straightforward process when you know where the settings are. So as I get into this, if you find it useful, informative, smash that like button for me, subscribe for more hints and tips, and let's get started. Okay, guys, so here I have my iPhone. The first thing we need to do is load up Instagram. We're just going to click on the Instagram logo there. Once inside Instagram, we have our icon, bottom right-hand corner. We're going to click on that. That's going to load up everything that we've posted out, our profile page, all that kind of usual stuff. And at the very top right-hand corner, you're going to find the hamburger option, the three horizontal lines. Click on those. That's going to load up your settings and activity area. And the very first setting is your account, right? Which is basically account center within Meta. And in here, you want to click on that. Now, from here, you can see you've got various different profiles. You've got connected experiences, and then you've got your account settings. So if you scroll down to where it says account settings here, the very first option is password and security. Click on that. From here, you have the first option, which is to change your password. Click on that, and that's going to load up all of your Meta linked accounts. Okay, so you can see Facebook, I've got my personal Instagram, and then I've got my That Office Guy Instagram. I'm going to click on That Office Guy Instagram right here, and here is where you would change your password. You have to put your current password in, your new password, and then retype your new password. If you, however, you do not know your current password, you are going to have to go and click on the forgotten your password option at the bottom there. What that's going to do is it's going to then go through all the verification checks, email notifications, all that kind of stuff. That's basically going to allow you to reset your password that way. If, however, you do know your password, you just put in your current password, type a new one, reconfirm your new one, and then click change password at the bottom. And what it's going to do is you can see here, there's a little tick box just at the bottom, which basically says that when you change your password, do you want to log out of other devices, right? If you tick it, it's going to log you out of all of those devices, meaning you need a new password to sign in. If you do not check that, then it's going to stay logged in wherever the old password was used. So typically you'd want that ticked in case your passwords were leaked or anything like that, then that's going to be there. You're going to tick that, then it's going to allow you to basically log everybody else out or every other device out of Instagram so that they have to type in the new password. And guys, it is as easy as that to essentially change your password within Instagram. If this has worked, you found it useful and informative, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more hints and tips, and I will catch you all in the next one.